Welcome to this video on 10 essential SQL queries every developer should know. In this video, we will cover the most important SQL queries that you will use in your daily work as a developer. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this video will help you improve your SQL skills and write more efficient queries. The first query we will cover is the select statement. This query is used to retrieve data from a database table. The basic syntax is select followed by the columns you want to retrieve, and then the from clause specifying the table. For example, select star from customers retrieves all columns and rows from the customers table. The next query we will cover is the where clause. This clause is used to filter data based on conditions. For example, select star from customers where country equal USA retrieves all customers from the USA. You can use various operators like equal, less than, greater than, etc. to filter your data. Now, let us talk about sorting data with the order by clause. This clause is used to sort data in ascending or descending order. For example, select star from customers order by last name ASC retrieves customers sorted by last name in ascending order. You can use ASC for ascending order or DESC for descending order. The next query we will cover is the limit clause. This clause is used to limit the number of rows returned. For example, select star from customers limit 10 retrieves the first 10 customers. This is useful when you want to retrieve a subset of data. Now, let us talk about joining tables with the inner join clause. This clause is used to combine rows from two tables where the join condition is met. For example, select star from customers inner join orders on customers.customer ID equal orders.customer ID retrieves customers with their corresponding orders. The next query we will cover is the left join clause. This clause is used to combine rows from two tables where the join condition is met and also includes rows from the left table that don't have a match. For example, select star from customers left join orders on customers.customer ID equal orders.customer ID retrieves all customers with their corresponding orders, if any. Now, let us talk about aggregating data with the group by clause. This clause is used to group rows based on one or more columns. For example, select country, count star from customers group by country retrieves the number of customers in each country. The next query we will cover is the sum function. This function is used to calculate the sum of a column. For example, select sum of total amount from orders retrieves the total amount of all orders. Now, let us talk about filtering groups with the having clause. This clause is used to filter groups based on conditions. For example, select country, count star from customers, group by country, having count star greater than 10, retrieves countries with more than 10 customers. The final query we will cover is the subquery. A subquery is a query nested inside another query. For example, select star from customers where customer ID in select customer ID from orders retrieves customers who have placed an order. That is it for this video on 10 essential SQL queries. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember to practice these queries and explore more advanced SQL topics to improve your skills. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.